Divesh, we're here today at the MEF Members Summit in London, where APIs and API standardisation are a hot topic. Can you give us an overview of the API adapter that Console Connect is now offering and how it helps MEF members?
Yes, Lex. So I just came in from the plenary session at the MEF Members Summit here in London, and they just announced that MEF is going to be rebranded very soon to Mplify. And their mission stands as empowering the world and connecting the world together through NAS services. And there is a focus on collaboration, there's a focus on standardization, and a focus on certification. Here we are, our endeavor from the Console Connect is to focus on that objective that's set up by MEF. And we've provided an open source code, which we call the MEF LSO API Adaptor. It would actually help member companies in MEF to do exactly that. So it actually helps them to translate their proprietary APIs to a standard MEF LSO API. And they can do so in a low-code, no-code kind of a mapping tool, which is easier for them to kind of just connect in front of their current setup, so they don't have to uplift or change their existing APIs. They can place these adapters just in front of their existing proprietary APIs and map them to a standardized version. So it becomes easier for buyers of the services to come in and procure services in a standardized manner.
Great. So how can it help MEF members fast track their API integrations and improve interoperability between networks?
Yeah, so if the members are working with each other on buying and selling connectivity services and the interfaces are not standardized, guess what happens? It takes a whole lot of incremental effort for each new adaptation. It could be a new product that you're trying to buy and sell, or a new partner that you have to onboard, and you would have to sequentially connect to them, and that would basically entail a higher amount of time, effort, money in development terms. But if you're working towards a single standard and using that as a basis of buying and selling through APIs, the development effort greatly reduces and the time to market improves. So that's what we're trying to do here. And the other aspect of this is that we put this code in open source, and that basically helps stem the collaboration through the industry, that people can come and use it and also contribute to the code.
And why are MEF standards so important to Console Connect, and how are we aligning ourselves with MEF standards?
Yeah, Alex, that's a good question. Actually, to expand our coverage in terms of NAS services beyond just our own footprint and expanding it towards including more partners in the ecosystem, be it other service providers like us or NAS operators or data center operators, it is important for us to standardize the east-west interfaces that we use to interop with our ecosystem members. And so we're basically a strong proponent to certify our services. So we conforming to the MEF standards. And we've actually very recently gotten certified by MEF for this MEF LSO adapter. This is going to help us also when other member companies are coming in and looking to get certified, they could use this adapter, and it becomes easier for them to obtain the certification.